Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing airplane dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic airplane dimension. I just hope when I make it inside this absolutely amazing airplane dimension, they let me fly the plane, guys, because that would be absolutely amazing if they let me fly the airplane, although it probably wouldn't be safe. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that. Then you're going to need fur black stained glass. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, you want to jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 black stained glass right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a flying pig, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool on this side, and then 5 white wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 black stained glass on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the airplane dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. It's going to be so amazing. And oh my god, holy super happy fun time. Wow, this thing is absolutely humongous. Wow, oh my god, but why are all these villagers out on the wing? Don't you guys know that you could fall off at any time? Oh, there he goes. He's a smart one. How about you? How about you? Are you a smart one? Are you a smart one? You could fall off at any time. You could fall off and then just be like splat and just hit the ground. And there he goes. He's a smart one as well, guys. But these ones ain't too smart. And oh my god, did one actually fall off? Oh my god, I cannot believe that. Oh my god, a second one just fell off. Can you believe this? I'm going to save one of these guys. I'm going to save this one. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. Oh my god, he just slipped. Let's save this one. Let's save this one. Oh my god, did you push him? Did you push him? Did you push him? Who pushed him? Oh, they don't want to talk about it. They don't want to talk about it, so I don't want to talk about it either. But wow, this is a humongous airplane. Wow, I cannot believe how huge this is. And oh my god, right there's 2 baby villagers. Wow, they must be looking for a seat. You know what? You're not taking my seat. This is my seat right here, guys. Wow, this is nice and comfortable. And oh my god, this ain't your seat. This is my seat. Get out of here, villager. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. I think he was wanting to be punched in the nose or something. Oh my god. Really? Really? You know what? I'm just leaving his seat. I'm just leaving his seat because, you know, he's just not going to leave me alone until I do it, guys. But let's see what's in the back of this airplane, guys. Let's see what's on this side. This must be the bathroom, guys. And right here's the toilet. Wow, this is a really nice, comfortable toilet, guys. But what does this lever do, guys? Let's go ahead and flip this. It actually opens it. And then it closes it. Oh my god, could you imagine if you accidentally opened that while you was using it and somebody seen you on the toilet? That would be so embarrassing, guys. But this must be the sink where you wash your hands unless it's the toilet. And that's the sink. Could this be the toilet and that be the sink? Oh my god, that is nasty. If I just use the sink, then that is disgusting, guys. Ew, somebody's going to wash their hands in that now. Ew, that is just nasty. Let's see what's in this one, guys. This must be either the toilet or the sink. I'm not for sure, guys. I'm not for sure what that is. And oh my god, is that a villager using the toilet? Oh my god, I think he's stuck. I think he's stuck in the toilet. I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna act like I never seen that, guys. I never ever seen that. That was crazy, guys. I probably should have flushed him though, guys. I probably should have flushed him. That way he would have been unstuck, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's in the front of the plane. And oh my god, guys, this must be first class. This must be where all the first class people sit, not the villagers, guys. There's no villagers in first class. They're way back. They're on the back of the plane. The first class elite, like the iron golems and whatnot, set in first class, guys, because they're super rich. They are super rich. But let's go ahead and let's see what's up this staircase. And oh my god, this must be where the pilot hangs out. Wow, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with a real pilot. And wow, you have really nice shoes. I really do love your shoes. I need to get myself some shoes like that. But you know what I'm going to do, pilot? I'm going to drive this plane. And you know what? I'm going to lock you out. Because I don't want him coming in here, guys, trying to control what I do. So let's just go ahead and fly this thing, guys. Oh my god, we got to go in for a landing. Oh my god, we're going to land. Oh my god, this is going to be epic, guys. Oh my god, actually, we're not doing anything. I think he might have took the keys. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and spawn my pig so he can fly this plane. Ain't you the best ever pilot in Everville? Yeah, he lives in Everville, guys, and he's the best ever pilot. So, yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Let me just go ahead and leave. You know what? My pig got everything under control. He's definitely going to fly this plane, all right? Yeah, because he's a really good pilot. He's way better than you. He's like 10 times better than you. Yeah, and I'm just hoping one day I can be as good of a pilot as him. But let's go ahead and let's head on outside, guys. And you know what I want to do? I want to turn this plane into a convertible. That's right, guys. I'm going to put TNT up on the roof of this airplane and make it the first ever convertible airplane, guys. I don't think there's ever been a convertible airplane, although it would be pretty cool if they did make a convertible plane, because then they could be like, hey guys, we're gonna let down the roof, and then they could press the button, let down the roof, and then everybody's like wigs could be flying back off of their head on the plane, guys. That would be amazing. But a lot of people would be getting hit by wigs, because a lot of people that fly on planes wear wigs, guys. But let's go ahead. Let's light this TNT, guys, and jump off, guys. This is going to be so amazing. This is going to be so amazing. Boom. Oh, my God. Wow, that is crazy, guys. That is crazy. But I do have to say, guys, it's pretty amazing to make the first ever convertible airplane, guys. This is pretty cool, guys, and my pig's going to be the first ever pilot of the convertible airplane. Let me know if you guys have ever seen a convertible airplane. I don't think there's ever been one, but if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.